I just turned on the lights and I'm just gonna wake up the babies. Good morning, girls. It's time for school. Zoe, what's on your face? You have chicken pox. Macy, why are you sleeping next to her? You might get chicken pox tomorrow. I just don't want to go to school. I love my sister. Oh, she'll have to be absent for 10 days. But I don't want to get chicken pox. I hope I'm not fake being sick. Come on, you better get your medicine all set up. Here are your sisters. Okay, here you go. Hope you're drooling. Time for school. Daisy, Sophia, Lily Grace, Emma, Macy. No, not Macy. Macy, you have to go to daycare, not school. Yeah, it's preschool. And usually Molly and Mia stay home and Bailey has crutches. Oh, why does a 2-year-old have crutches? I don't know. I'm going to go give Zoe a shot. But I've been having a high fever and I've been sick all the time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah! That was scary. I'll get on some TV you can watch while all the other girls go to preschool and daycare and school. Come on, let's watch it together. Okay, the other girls will go to school and you can stay home and rest. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Hope none of the babies get the chicken pox. I hope Macy doesn't get it. And I hope none of the other babies catch it. Goodbye.